Yo, what's up YouTube? We're back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best way I find personally to launch control my CORSA VXR. So we're going to be talking about how to do it, and I'm going to show you me doing it. So I hope you enjoy. The first step, and this is probably the most important step, so make sure you do this, otherwise you'll probably break something, is make sure your car is warm. Now, as we know with the CORSA VXR, they don't have a coolant temperature, so you have to get this up, which I have made a video showing, and as you can see my coolant is currently at 98 degrees, so she's all nice and warm. I'm not going to break anything, everything's running smoothly. Right, step number 2 is quite simple. All you need to do basically is press that button. As you can see, ESP is off, and then you're basically going to want to do this. You will spin a little bit, but your car should grab traction, and then you will be able to launch, just what we're trying to do. So once your car is up to temperature, you've got the traction control off, it says ESP off, and you've got the light. A nice open road, quiet roads. Recommend doing this somewhere safe, obviously. Then all you need to do is put it into first. You're going to want your handbrake off, because I tried doing this with the handbrake on and then dropping it, and it just didn't work out. So then once you've done all of that, you should be ready to do a launch. Now with this, what I found, the best kind of rev range is between like 3,000, 3,500. So what you want to do is, obviously you've got your traction off, your car's warm, get the car up to 3,500 or 3,000, and then pop the clutch and fly. So as you just saw, for those 3 launch controls that I did, the one that I literally did just now was the first video, and you probably noticed it wasn't that successful, but the ground is wet and I feel like I just span up a bit more, which is why I put the other 2 in where it was dry, and I did a lot more successful launches. It does prove that you're not going to hit it every time. Practice makes perfect, but it's not that hard to do, and you probably will get it pretty quick. The important thing to remember when you are doing your launch controls is to keep your foot planted. The last thing you want to do is lose boost. It's very important to keep that hooked on. This car doesn't have anti-lag, so if you do drop off boost, you will have to spoil up your turbo again and get back onto boost. So I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you've learned how to do a launch control in your CORSA VXR now. Even if I just taught you one thing that you didn't know, I feel like this video has been successful. Anyway, I will leave a link in the description to my video showing you how to get the coolant temperature up. Apart from that, if you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Peace.